Once you get to a certain age where you want to stop working or start taking an income stream, then you convert your classical RRSP into the account which is called an RRIF, which is all about receiving income and taking money out of that account. Throughout your life, when you're putting money into this registered account, this retirement account, you're getting tax deductions on that money throughout your working life. And that's based on your tax bracket that you're in when you're putting money into it. The money then is able to grow in a tax-sheltered environment, so every dollar you're making through interest, dividends, capital gains, you're not paying any taxes on the year that it's earned. It's just sort of growing and compounding and turning into this wonderful little nest egg, right? But when you convert it to the RRIF, you do have to start taking money out. And that money that is taken out is considered taxable income for the year that it comes out. That would then be coming on a T4, very similar to when you were working. During your working life, you always got a T4. Now your RRIF is providing you your sort of annual T4. There are actually set percentages by the Canada Revenue Agency that says the minimum amount you can take out every year, but the amount that you can take out is technically unlimited.